Hi friends, welcome to JOGO coaching. In this video, I'm going to explain about 10-step process that can be used for waterfall to agile transformation in any organization. You can customize these 10 steps based on your organization needs and the project type to move the project from waterfall to agile. The first step you need to follow in the agile transformation is to understand the need for the agile transformation. We should find the answer for the questions to understand the need for agile transformation. The first question is, why do we need the agile transformation? Another question that we should ask to start the agile transformation is, what problem we are trying to solve with the agile transformation? Answer to these two questions will help the organization to understand the need and the purpose of the agile transformation. After understanding the need for the agile transformation, we should define the scope of the agile transformation. So the first step for agile transformation is to understand the need and define the purpose of the agile transformation. The next step to start the agile transformation is to involve the leaders and agile coaches to own and support the transformation. Leaders support is very important for agile transformation. Without leaders support, we can't do the agile transformation in any organization. Getting alignment and the support from the leaders should be taken as an important activity in the beginning of the transformation. Agile transformation should happen from top to bottom in any organization. Leaders should understand the need for the agile transformation and the benefits of the agile transformation. Leaders should provide the sponsorship for the training and hiring the right resources in the organization. Agile coaches will provide the training to the leaders if there is a need. With this step, leaders will be available to support the agile transformation. The third step in driving the agile transformation is train the teams and the stakeholders with the help of an expert in agile way of working. We should get agile consultant or agile coaches to train the team and set up the process to start the agile way of working. Agile coaches or agile transformation leaders should be available to guide and mentor the team and the leaders in the organization. With the training and coaching, we should create an environment to exhibit agile values. It's necessary to provide the agile training to the business stakeholders and the senior leadership team in the organization so that they will help and lead the agile transformation and also bring the agile mindset in the entire organization. The fourth step in the agile transformation is to identify a small or a pilot project to start the transformation. We should get commitment from the project stakeholders to pilot the agile way of working in that project. In the pilot project, we can start with few agile practices to make the transition easy and smooth. We should do inspect and adapt event regularly. We should also provide opportunity for the team to learn from their failures and keep the motivation of the team without any impact by providing the support and encouragement during the learning phase. We need to share the learning within the team and with the management to build the confidence based on the pilot project work. So this is the fourth step in the agile transformation journey. The fifth step in the waterfall to agile transformation is define the end goal of the agile transformation for the pilot project. We should identify key KPIs, key performance indicators for the agile transformation. We should discuss and get an agreement from all the project stakeholders on the KPI targets. We need to define the current status and the target status that we want to achieve as part of the agile transformation. We should also define an action plan to meet the KPI targets with the timelines. We need to create a mechanism to track and report the KPI status to all the stakeholders. So this is the fifth step we need to follow as part of Waterfall to Agile Transformation. After defining the KPI targets for the Agile Transformation, we should plan and do the sprint events in the project. You should define the sprint duration based on the project type and stakeholders' input. We can have 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 week sprint for the pilot project based on the organization need. It would be good to prepare the calendar for the sprint events such as sprint planning, daily scrum meeting, sprint review and sprint retrospective meetings. We should plan the schedule to conduct the backlog refinement meeting as well. We need to do the regular retrospective meeting and implement the improvement actions in the next sprint. Consistently following all sprint events will bring the agile mindset and the discipline in the team. So this is the sixth step we can follow to do the agile transformation. The seventh step in doing the agile transformation is create the visual boards and tools to display the project outcome and the improvement list. We can use the tools like Jira, Team Foundation Server, etc. to show the sprint progress in a dashboard on daily basis. Review the sprint burn down chart, velocity charts regularly to take necessary actions for the improvements. We can use any dashboard or tool to show the risks and the status of the risk to take timely action from the risk owner. We need to have the reporting tool to track the retrospective action status as well. So this is the seventh step we need to follow to move the project from waterfall to agile. The next important step in agile transformation is celebrating the success. After completing the key milestones, plan for a celebration within the team. Appreciate the team members for their good work and the support to other team members. Share the accomplishments and the results of the project with the stakeholders and the leadership team. We need to share the learnings, best practices, and the continuous improvement with other teams and the management. This step will motivate the team members who are part of the agile transformation journey. The ninth step in doing the agile transformation is to extend the agile transformation to more projects and follow the same process. We can target the agile transformation for a portfolio or a department after completing the pilot project. We can train more people in the organization on the agile way of working. Implementing the best practices from pilot project will help to do the agile transformation very well. We should hire the right skill set or train the team members based on the agile project needs. We should also sustain the process and practices that we developed from the pilot project and implement the learning in the new projects. The final step in waterfall to agile transformation is focus on automation and DevOps practices. We can introduce new tools for automation, project management, issue tracking, application monitoring, testing, etc. Automation can be done for unit testing, system testing, performance testing, security testing, and code deployment. These 10 steps will be helpful for any project team or any company to transition from waterfall to agile way of working. Hope this video is useful to you. Please click the like button and leave your comments or questions below. I will respond to your comments as soon as possible. Thank you.